Hey traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies, the place where you learn smart, easy, and profitable ways to trade online. Today's video is super exciting because I'm going to share one of my favorite binary trading strategies that uses only the chart. No indicators needed. It's perfect for beginners and even experienced traders looking for a simple way to catch high probability trades across different currency pairs. But listen up, don't skip any part of this video. Every step is important to understand how this strategy works and how to trade it the right way. Quick disclaimer, trading binary options involves financial risk. You can lose money, and past results don't promise future profits. This video is only for educational purposes. It's not financial advice. Always do your research, trade responsibly, and only invest money you can afford to lose. If you find this strategy helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a powerful strategy from this channel. All right, let's dive right in. All right, traders, let's break down how this strategy actually works. And the best part? We're using only the graph, no indicators at all. First, look at the chart and find a point where the price clearly reversed. It could be a bounce or a sharp turn back. Now, once you've found that reversal point, don't jump into a trade just yet. Wait patiently for the price to come back to that same level again. When the price touches that previous reversal level again, it's signs of reversing, you enter the trade. Set your expiry time to 1 minute. This simple rule can give you some amazing entries, but only if you follow it with discipline. Let me show you a more example to help you understand better. Take a look at this chart. Here the price first reversed from this level, and later when it returned to the same spot, it reversed again. That gave us a perfect sell trade setup, and yes, it was a win. Let's check out another example. Here, we got a similar situation, and once again, a clean sell setup formed when price hit the previous reversal level. You'll find many similar opportunities on your chart once you train your eyes for it. But here's an important tip. Don't use the same level for more than 3 trades. After that, the level might lose its power and become risky. A few quick trading rules to remember. Use 1 minute expiry. Avoid trading during major news events. Best results during European and New York market sessions. You can use this on any currency pair. Practice makes perfect. So always try this strategy on a demo account first before going live with real money. Now get ready, because it's time to watch this strategy in action with live trading examples. All right, traders, take a look at this chart right now. The price has reached the same level where it previously reversed. This level is now acting as a strong support zone. So, according to our strategy, this is the right time to take a buy trade with a 1 minute expiry. Let's place the trade, and now we wait to see if it ends in profit or not. While this trade runs, I want to give you a quick tip that's very important. Please don't use this strategy directly on your real account. Always begin with a demo account. Practice it, test it, and understand how the price behaves at reversal points. Once you feel confident and fully understand how this method works, only then move to a real account with proper risk management. This strategy may look simple, but mastering it requires focus, patience, and proper observation. The more you practice, the better your results will be over time. All right, let's wait for the result of this trade. Awesome, traders. As you can see, we've won this trade using our simple graph-based strategy. But we're not stopping here. Now let's scan the chart and look for the next trade setup. All right, traders, take a look at this setup. Right now, the price is at the previous reversal point, and this time, that level is acting as a resistance zone. According to our strategy, this is a great moment to take a sell trade with a 1 minute expiry. Everything looks perfect, so let's go ahead and place the trade. Now let's wait and watch. Will this trade end in profit or loss? This part is always exciting, but it also reminds us of something important. Every trade is about following the strategy, not guessing or rushing. When the rules are clear, your chances of winning increase. Let's see how this trade plays out. Stay tuned. We've won this trade too. That's another successful setup using this simple price action strategy. You saw how the price touched the resistance level and reversed just like it did before. That's exactly what we look for. When you follow the rules with patience and confidence, the results can be very rewarding. But we're not done yet. Let's now scan the chart again and look for the next trade setup based on our strategy. All right, traders, we've found another interesting setup. Right now, the price has reached a previous reversal point, and this area is acting as a support level. According to our strategy, this is the perfect place to take a buy trade with 1 minute expiry. Everything lines up well. Now we wait and watch to see if this trade ends in profit or loss. This is a great moment to remind you, success with this strategy comes from understanding the setup, not rushing into trades. So stay focused, be patient, and always stick to the plan. Let's see what happens with this trade. Perfect! We've won this trade too. That's another great example of how well this strategy works when you follow the rules correctly. Now let's keep the momentum going. We'll go back to the chart and start looking for the next trade setup, watching closely for the price to return to a previous reversal point. All right, traders, here we are again with another trade opportunity. The price has reached a previous reversal point, and this area is now acting as a resistance level. As per our strategy, this is the perfect time to take a sell trade with 1 minute expiry, and everything looks in place. Now let's wait and see whether this trade ends in profit or loss. This is exactly how our method works, identifying key reversal zones and reacting at the right time. But always remember, just because we've won a few trades doesn't mean we should trade carelessly. Stick to the plan, follow the rules, and most importantly, stay patient and focused. Let's see how this one turns out. We've won this trade too. That's another successful trade using our simple and powerful graph-based strategy. You've now seen how this method works, step by step, and how it can give you high-probability trade setups just by reading the price action and spotting reversal zones. If you found this strategy helpful, please do me a small favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming trading strategies. Also, if you have any questions or want to see more live trade examples like this, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, traders. Stay safe, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next video.